This is a tribute to Pitt Race, the track that is becoming an AI data center. Track days happen, rain or shine, and the rain can make it pretty tricky. Today I'm in my 992 911S. You often have to drive off the racing line on a wet day and avoid the curbing because the paint on the curbing becomes very slick, like ice. I had a fresh set of Michelin Cup 2 tires, which allowed me to pass everyone on track except for one car which blew by me. You can find out which car passed me later on during the full lap in this video. Check out our full video and review of the tracks here.